Hello friends, good evening. My name is Vaishnavi and today's story is The Mother Hole. So, in a place there used to live a mother and two daughters. So the mother used to show partiality between the two daughters. Means one of the daughter is her own daughter and other elder daughter is her stepdaughter. So she does not like her stepdaughter, means as she was not her own daughter, she doesn't like her. So she used to hate her every time and she used to treat her as a slave. So daily she used to say every work to her elder daughter, but she used to take that as an order and she used to complete that work. So she is very kind and humble towards others. So she used to listen everything what her mother says. So she used to listen everything what her mother says, but who is her own daughter, she's very lazy, and her mother also did not. She used to not say any work for her, so she became very lazy and she could not even cook her own food to eat. So daily after cleaning the house and everything, cooking food, her elder daughter used to her mother used to say to do threads with the wool. They'll do some threads with wool. So it is a combination of wool and silk. So it will be sharp while we are doing threads. If we do for a long time, it will bleed for us, for the fingers. So till it bleeds for her fingers, she used to do that every day. So one day as daily she'll do, so she did one day, and for washing that bleed, she used to sit near a well. So with near well she used to do, and after it bleeded, she used to wash with the water. So one day the she kept that on the well and she was taking water from the well. So suddenly the spindle fallen down into the well. So there is only one spindle in that house. So she went near her mother. So her mother said that you should bring that, I need that. So there is only one, we need that to do our work. So she'll try a lot for bringing that out, but she'll not succeed in that. So finally, for getting that, she'll jump into the well. So she'll jump later, she'll open her eyes. So she'll be in a garden full of flowers and she loved that place. She loved a lot, and she was moving. So she found one bakery. So in that bakery, it was full of magical land. In that bakery, these buns which we cook were talking with her that we were keeping in this oven for a long time. So can you please take us out? So she heard that and she took that out. She took those buns out and she kept them out and she went. So they thanked her, and later she went near she was moving and she saw a tree talking with her, and the tree is saying that any one of you take the apples or eat them, otherwise they'll get ripen. So she has pushed, means she was taking one apple, so she has taken away all the apples. So later she'll reach one house. It is a hut. So in that hut there used to be an old lady. So she looked somewhat scary, so she thought to go back from there. This elder daughter thought to go away from there. So she was returning, and that old lady said that, wait, don't be scared my child, I won't do you anything. So she'll speak humbly with her, and her name is the Mother Holland. That old lady name is Holland. So she said that I'll provide you everything, but if you do the work in my home, but at evening you should I'll give you some feathers, so you should decorate my bed as I said for you. So she'll say okay, and 2-3 days she'll do well, she'll do the work perfectly. So she remembered her mother and her sister, so she thought to return back. So the mother Holland said that, yeah, I will drop you back to the home. So she'll take with her, and she'll take to a big house with a golden gate. So she'll go inside the golden gate, and suddenly her dress changed into gold. Everything on her her hairbands, slippers, all changed into gold color. So she was very surprised for that, and the mother Holland said that this was my reward for you as you worked for me. So she returned back to the home, and her stepmother asked what happened, how did you became like this. So she said all the story, and she'll say her own daughter to do the same thing. So she'll do the same thing, and she'll go to the garden first. So she'll wantedly throw the spindle into the well. So it started there. So she'll go to the garden, and later she'll see one bakery, but she'll not take any cakes out. She'll see the tree, but she'll not do anything. So she'll give a rude answer for that, for those cakes and those tree, for that tree. So next she'll go to the mother Holland's house, and she'll do the work for one day. One day she'll do perfectly. From next day she'll be lazy for doing that work. So 3 days completed, but she was not doing any work in the home. Mother Holland got angry on her. So she said that, I'll drop you near the home, will you come? So she thought that she'll give her a gold dress as a reward, but she gave they have thrown mud on her, so she was full of mud. So she returned home with a dirty dress, and she was looking very ugly. So this is today's story. Thank you.